Hey friends, I don't know about you, but one of the things I've noticed lately is that with all of the different subscriptions, things are adding up. And so, one thing I'm trying to be more mindful of is actually using the things that I have and getting the most out of them. And one of my favorite subscriptions that I've had and used for years now is Creative Fabrica. And when you hear of Creative Fabrica, people often talk about the graphics and the fonts, and I love it for that. But there's also so many other tools that's available inside of Creative Fabrica that I think sometimes that are not utilized and as frequently or in the way that we could. So today I wanted to just bring your attention to the classes that's available on Creative Fabrica. And if you go to Creative Fabrica and then you go over here to Learn, and then over to video classes, you'll see that they have categories, several different types of video classes that's available. And if you're an all access member, these classes are included with your monthly subscription, monthly or annual subscription. So I was just taking a look at some of them, and I mean, they have classes from jewelry making to baking to stickers to sublimation crafts. There's just so many different classes down here. And if you're like me during the summertime, if you're someone who like learning new skills, this is a perfect place to, before you go off and buy a new course, consider looking in Creative Fabrica to see if it has a tutorial or training available on something that you're interested in. Look here. This is about making bubble candles. This one's about stickers. Here's one I found that shows you about creating 3D printed cookie cutters. That looks interesting. The teacher is Tika Williams. And then for each of one of the teachers, they'll tell you how many classes that person has available on Creative Fabrica. Here's one about designing stickers for a thermal printer, and this is by 25 Sweet Peas, and she has 18 classes that are available on Creative Fabrica. She also has a class on creating your own mockups in Procreate and how to illustrate a coloring page from an existing design. Or and I thought this was interesting. Creating baby shower bunnings. So if you have a celebration, this class by Kelly Rosu, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but she shows you how to use your Cricut machine to create custom banners and things like that. Now, I do have a video tutorial here on my YouTube page that goes into explaining how you can design custom banners with Canva, but this one she's showing you how to use your Cricut to do so. This in the Kelly has 9 classes on Creative Fabrica. And here was another one, and this is by Tika as well, who goes into showing you how to create custom design for cookie decorations. So if you're into baking, that's something there. Then you can also find stuff on embroidery. Um, just a wide range of things. And if there's something in particular that you're looking for, you can just simply type in the search and it will show you the different classes that's available. Here's one that tells you how to create your custom email signature with Canva. This one talks about tightening the waist of pants, shorts, and skirts. So this is a sewing one. This one, how to turn your old jeans into denim tote bags. There's just so many different things here. And if you are a current subscriber or someone who's thinking about looking into Creative Fabrica, I would just encourage you to take a look at their classes to see if there's something new skill or that you might be interested in learning, and really take advantage of those things on there because they have so many different classes. I'm on page 10 right here in the search results, and it just keeps going. Okay, that again, just a quick reminder to use more of what you have before you hop off into buying new things. and I hope you'll take a look at the classes and things that's available on Creative Fabrica, and I'll see you next time.